अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इकोनॉमिक्स एमसीक्यूज के लेक्चर नंबर 1 में आप सबको वेलकम करते हैं। स्टार्ट करते हैं इसको। द ऑथर ऑफ वेल्थ ऑफ नेशन इज ऑप्शन ए मार्शल, बी ए कॉर्नर, सी एडम स्मिथ एंड डी जॉन आर हिग्स। And the right answer is Adam Smith. The author of Wealth of Nation is Adam Smith. Economic theory deals with microeconomics, macroeconomics, both of them, or none of these. The right answer is both of them. Means economic theory deals with micro and macroeconomics. Microeconomics is also known as price theory, demand theory, income theory, or expenditure theory. And the right answer is price theory. Microeconomics is also known as price theory. All consumers want to minimize their utility, neutralize their utility, maximize their utility, or stabilize their utility. And the right answer is maximize their utility. All consumers want to maximize their utility. Which of the following concepts represent the extra revenue a firm receives from the services of an additional unit of factor of production? Option A, total revenue, B, marginal physical product, C, marginal revenue product, or D, marginal revenue. And the right answer is marginal revenue product. The demand for labor is same as the option A, marginal revenue product, B, marginal physical product, C, marginal cost, and D, wage. The right answer is A, marginal revenue product. The demand for labor is as the same as the marginal revenue product. The next is the demand for labor slopes down and to the right because of the law of demand, the iron law of wages, the law of diminishing marginal returns, or economies of scale. And the right answer is the law of diminishing marginal returns, means the demand for labor slopes down and to the right because of the law of diminishing marginal returns. Next is the demand for labor will be more elastic if there are few substitutes for labor, there is a short time under consideration, labor is a large percent of the total cost of production, the demand for the product is relatively inelastic, or all of the above. And the right answer is labor is a large percent of the total cost of production. The next is skill that can be transferred to the other employers are called general skills, specific skills, non-pecuniary skills, or all of the above. And the right answer is general skills, means skills that can be transferred to the other employers are called general skills. Which skills are most likely to be paid for by the employer? Option A, general skills, B, specific skills, C, educational skills, D, none of the above. And the right answer is specific skills. Skills are mostly likely to be paid for by the employer are specific skills. If worker A earns more in wages than worker B, it could be because the product made by worker A sells for a higher price than made by worker B. Worker A uses more capital per worker than worker B. Worker A has more natural ability than worker B, or all of the above. And the right answer is all of the above. Skills that can be embodied in any person are called human capital, skills, physical capital, or experience skills. And the right answer is human capital. The skills that can be that embodied in a person are called human capital. Treating an individual as typical of a group is the definition of pure discrimination, statistical discrimination, human capital, or specific skills. And the right answer is statistical discrimination. Treating an individual as typical of a group is the definition of statistical discrimination. Thank you.